What if I told you that the phone sitting right next to you is currently leaking every single word of your private WhatsApp calls, your most secret voice notes, and even the messages you thought were deleted forever? Most people think their encryption is a bulletproof vest, but in the next few minutes, you are going to see exactly how professional intruders bypass the system without ever touching your device or installing a single piece of spyware. This isn't about basic tricks, this is about high-level interception that 99% of users are completely blind to. Before we dive into these 6 devastating methods, you need to understand that this video is strictly for educational purposes and cybersecurity awareness only. We do not advise or condone using any of this information to infiltrate someone's privacy or break the law. Use this knowledge solely to protect yourself and your family from the digital shadows. Now, if you truly want to secure your digital life and get access to the exclusive tools and resources we use behind the scenes, make sure you check the pinned comment or the video description right now for more details. Before we reveal the first method, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever felt like your phone was listening to you, or have you seen an ad for something you only talked about in a private call? Drop a yes or no in the comments right now, because your answer actually reveals a lot about your current security status. The first method is what professionals call the web session ghosting technique. You probably know about WhatsApp Web, but you don't know how hackers use a modified browser header to mirror your entire account onto a remote server without triggering a logged-in notification on your device. By spoofing the MAC address of a trusted computer, an intruder can watch your chats unfold in real time. They aren't hacking the app, they are hijacking the session token that your phone already trusts. This leads us directly into the second method, which involves SS7 signaling exploitation. This is how calls are intercepted at the carrier level. Every time you make a WhatsApp call, it eventually hits a network gateway. By exploiting the Signal System 7 protocol, which is the backbone of global telecommunications, an attacker can redirect the data packets of your voice call to their own terminal before it ever reaches your ear. You won't see an app on your phone because the interception is happening in the air between the cell tower and the server. If this is already blowing your mind, hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix right now, so you never miss a security update that could save your identity. Method 3 is the most common way deleted messages are recovered: cloud backup infiltration. Even if you delete a message on your phone, it often lives on in a hidden cache within your Google Drive or iCloud backup. Hackers don't need to crack WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption if they can simply social engineer their way into your primary email account. Once they have access to the cloud, they can download the entire crypt database and run it through a decryption script on a local machine, revealing every deleted photo and voice note from the last 5 years. Speaking of secrets, what is the one app on your phone you trust the most? Let me know in the comments, and I'll tell you if it's actually safe. Moving to method 4, we look at media file jacking. This happens when a hacker sends you a seemingly harmless image or a GIF. While you're looking at the picture, a background script exploits a buffer overflow in the way WhatsApp processes media files. This allows the attacker to gain read permissions for your entire media folder. They can silently copy your incoming voice notes and outgoing videos to a remote server without you ever seeing a suspicious file in your downloads. Method 5 is the notification mirroring vulnerability. You know, a lot of people don't realize that third-party apps like battery savers or custom keyboards often ask for notification access. Once granted, these apps can actually read every incoming WhatsApp message and call log before the encryption even hides them. A hacker simply creates a basic utility app that looks totally legitimate, and you end up handing over the keys to your messages voluntarily. Finally, method 6 is the most advanced router-level packet sniffing. When you connect to a compromised Wi-Fi network, every bit of data leaving your phone passes through the hacker's router. By using tools like Wireshark, combined with custom SSL stripping scripts, they can downgrade your connection and capture the metadata of your calls, knowing exactly who you are talking to and for how long. Your privacy is a wall, and these 6 methods are the cracks you never knew existed. So make sure you share this video with one person you care about to keep them safe. Don't forget to check that pinned comment for the resources we mentioned earlier. Stay sharp, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.